Cats have long been shrouded in mystery and intrigue, captivating humans with their enigmatic behavior and uncanny abilities. These fascinating creatures are more than just beloved pets. They are often seen as mystical beings with connections to the supernatural. Ever though that they are spooky, prepare to be amazed and perhaps a little unnerved by the strange and supernatural side of your cat. 1. Cats and their ghostly senses. Did you know that cats might see things we can't? Cats have highly sensitive vision and hearing, allowing them to detect frequencies and wavelengths beyond our capabilities. This might explain why your feline friend seems to stare intently at empty corners or dark hallways. Some pet owners even report their cats reacting to unseen entities, suggesting that their heightened senses allow them to perceive the supernatural. While there's no scientific proof that cats can see ghosts, their acute awareness certainly makes it seem like they have one paw in the paranormal. 2. Ancient guardians of the underworld. Cats have a long history of being associated with the afterlife and the supernatural. In ancient Egypt, they were revered and often mummified to accompany their owners in the afterlife. The goddess Bastet, depicted as a lioness or a woman with a lioness head, was believed to protect the home and the dead. This mystical connection to the underworld and protection from evil spirits has persisted through the ages, making our furry friends seem like living talismans against malevolent forces. 3. The mysterious purring phenomenon. A cat's purr is often seen as a sign of contentment, but there's a spooky side to this soothing sound. Purring occurs at a frequency between 25 and 150 hertz, which is known to have therapeutic effects such as healing bones and reducing pain. This self-healing mechanism seems almost magical and has led to speculation that cats possess mystical abilities. The mystery deepens when we consider that cats also purr when they are frightened or injured, suggesting that this enigmatic behavior is far more complex and otherworldly than a simple expression of happiness. 4. Cats and clairvoyance. Ever notice how your cat seems to know when you're coming home, even if it's at an unusual time? Some believe cats possess a form of clairvoyance, sensing their owner's arrival or detecting changes in the household before they happen. This could be due to their incredible sensory perceptions, picking up on subtle cues like sound or scent. Others think it's something more mysterious, a psychic connection between pet and owner. Whatever the cause, this spooky ability adds to the enigmatic allure of our feline companions. 5. The legend of the familiar. In folklore, witches often had animal companions called familiars, believed to assist in their magical practices. Cats, particularly black ones, were the most common familiars, thought to be endowed with magical powers, or even to be shape-shifted witches themselves. This association with witchcraft and magic has given cats an aura of mystery and superstition, especially around Halloween. While today's cats are more likely to be cuddly than cunning, the eerie legend of the familiar continues to intrigue and enchant us. 6. Cats and teleportation. Have you ever turned around only to find your cat seemingly materialized out of thin air? Cats have an uncanny ability to move silently and swiftly, appearing and disappearing without a sound. This teleportation ability can be quite spooky, especially in dimly lit rooms or during the witching hour. Their stealthy nature and agile movements make it seem as if they have the power to defy the laws of physics, adding to their supernatural mystique. 7. The hypnotic cat stare. If you've ever been on the receiving end of a cat's unblinking stare, you know how unnerving it can be. Cats can hold a gaze for a remarkably long time, leading to folklore about their ability to hypnotize or enchant humans. While modern science explains this behavior as a hunting technique or a way to establish dominance, the intensity of a cat's stare still feels deeply mysterious. This hypnotic gaze is just one more element that adds to the spooky allure of our feline friends. 8. Cats and death omens. In many cultures, cats are seen as omens of death. The ancient Egyptians believed that a black cat crossing your path was a sign of bad luck, a superstition that still persists in some parts of the world today. During the Middle Ages, cats, especially black ones, were often associated with witches and considered harbingers of misfortune. Even now, the eerie connection between cats and death lingers in popular imagination, adding to their enigmatic and spooky reputation. 9. Cat's night vision. Cats are renowned for their ability to see in near darkness, a trait that contributes to their mystique. Their eyes have a high number of rod cells, which are more sensitive to low light. This extraordinary night vision allows them to hunt and navigate in conditions that would leave humans stumbling in the dark. Watching a cat move effortlessly through the shadows can feel almost supernatural, as if they are creatures of the night, perfectly adapted to a world we can barely perceive. 10. The 9 Lives Legend. The saying that cats have 9 lives is one of their most famous mystical attributes. This myth likely arises from their remarkable agility and ability to survive falls that would seriously injure other animals. Cats' flexible spines, strong muscles, and unique skeletal structure allow them to twist in mid-air and land on their feet, often escaping unharmed. While science explains this as a natural reflex, the near-miraculous recoveries feed into the legend of cats being supernatural beings with multiple lives, perpetuating their spooky and magical aura. There you have it, 10 spooky facts about your cat. Always love them no matter how suspicious they might be. See you in the next video.